Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are here with Chad. He's a local celebrity. He's one of the morning hosts at the local country station around here. So I'm going to give the floor to him.
Oh yeah, I'm Chad from 103.1 The Wolf. We play country music. We'd love it if you listened on your radios, on your phones. Also the marketing director for the radio station. We have, I think, 9 radio stations across the state. So it's constant work, constant busy, and it's not easy to take care of myself all the time.
Yeah, he's always leaning on a microphone or working at a computer,
Yes.
doing day-to-day actions. And so tell me what's bothering you today.
Well, today, I mean, I get to see you pretty
Yeah.
much 2 times a week for a while now. And it's always the way I sit, when you're in the studio, and when you're done with that studio, and I'm on my desk, I mean, I'm sitting like this, and it's always just right here, something right here in this left shoulder.
Yeah.
That always is so painful to me.
That's a super common area.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah, so, I mean, when you're putting everything forward, we've talked about it before in other videos, your body's got to support your head, and it just, over time, just gets fatigued. When you're doing it for 5 minutes, not a big deal, but when you're doing it for 5 hours.
Over and over, every day.
Yep, exactly. So I've been seeing Chad pretty consistently for the last about 6 months or so, and we asked him to come in so we can show you guys what we're doing for him.
Yeah,
so.
get free treatment. Okay, done.
All right, so how about the low back?
Lower back, it's that's when I first started to see you.
Yep.
Was lower back. Since college has hurt me for whatever reason. It's been great for a while, but I don't know what I did this week. I was moving something in our prize closet, and I felt it like, in my old age.
Okay.
And so it's just been a little sore down here, like just down here.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you can work your magic on that too. But
Yeah.
Always, it's kind of working out up here.
We're just work everything. So we're gonna graston his back today. We're gonna dig into that best we can, and then we'll stretch you, and then we'll get you adjusted. So I don't need to do an exam on him, just like we said. I've been treating him pretty consistently for 6 months. So we're just gonna go jump right into the treatment here. So if you can, I'm gonna have you lay face down, and we'll probably actually take the shirt off today.
Oh, man.
All right. Okay, Chad, we're gonna do some work on you here.
Please do.
Feel free to yell, scream.
Yeah, do you want me grunting?
whatever comes natural for you, man, is just fine. All right. And we're going to use this tool today. It's kind of a beast.
Do I want to see it? I probably
Nope,
don't want to see it.
you're fine. You're fine. I can just put a lot more weight into it. Because you can get really into the traps here. I'm going to actually lower this headpiece slightly even more. There we go.
And I can feel every little, what are those little knots?
Yeah. Especially down in the mid back, man. Like right here.
Yep. Could that mid back be causing the pain in the upper back, or is it?
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, because you have muscles and tendons connected all the way down here, so even stuff down here can be affecting up top here.
That's crazy.
Because your body's going to compensate.
Well, I think you mentioned too with the lower back and how much better that feels now.
Oh yeah.
Like, it could be always the upper back maybe been causing all the pain, which is why I'm feeling it now.
Dude, we're getting nice and red here, man. Yeah, because when you first came in, your knots right around this pelvic bone here were pretty insane. And
Yeah, that's much better.
I'm digging pretty deep compared to here. Like, this is a lot more superficial, but that's because the knots are right there on top.
No, I remember months ago when I first came in, that was down there was just so unbearable.
I don't know, you came in, you were really walking. I'm like, what took you, Dan? What took you so damn long? Yeah, because I'm really digging into this low back, and it's
not bad at all.
no. Yeah, I think this is right here is when, like, even into like the traps, like we've dug in here, but that's nothing compared to right in that transition point.
I can feel it with that, whatever you're using.
It's pretty much a crowbar. You're going to probably have some bruising on your back today, Chad.
Awesome. I can blame it on my wife.
Exactly, right. She's like, what happened? I just went to see Dr. Healy. You did what?
You beat me up today.
Hopefully you're not going to the beach. Any concerts coming up?
Yeah, we just announced there's a bunch coming in fall, but we're doing a with the Hope Center. Locast is coming to the Apopka Amphitheater on September 11th.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do it's a tribute basically to the 20th anniversary of the memories of everyone lost, and then we're paying tribute to the vets and first responders that help us out every day. Of course, the ones that were affected by 9/11 as well are gonna be there. It's gonna be pretty cool.
That's awesome.
A low-dough ticket on September 11th. Lots of memorials are going to be there. Of course, Locash is a killer concert.
All right, we're going to switch sides.
Okay.
You just stay just like there. We got to make a match on each side.
I can feel that it's red on that right side. We're going to be able to just tell these concerts coming back. We're going to be able to stand and not act like an old man. That's what this is good for.
Any word about Founders Day?
I'm going to meet with them Wednesday.
Sweet.
We will see what happens. I hope it's happening. I feel like we all need it to happen.
Yeah.
It's just such a big deal for this area.
This side's worse up top,
Mm-hmm.
which is usually when you're having problems.
And that's the side, I always tell you, that's the side I sleep on. Like I sleep with my arm under my head for some reason.
I'll take a little more specifically in here. Yeah, because this up here was good, but you got a ton of scar tissue into here.
And what causes that? Is it just
It's that repetitive action, man. Like I said, it's just over and over again, like for hours on end, looking at a computer, looking down, and also looking down at the kids and leaning forward for the microphone. It's just that long endurance of holding your head forward. I mean, think how little you look up, you know?
never? I mean, you're right.
Me, I don't have that problem because I'm 5'0", but most people do.
Well, about the same as you, but sitting there, you're right though. We only look up when somebody comes in to talk.
Mm-hmm.
I think we're all like that though.
Yeah, especially with the phones, everybody's texting. By God, if someone asks you to call somebody.
Oh, God forbid. We've got a promo team that's all, 18 to 24-year-olds, and that if you try to call, it's something, oh God, it's the end of the world, what's happening?
Is there an emergency?
You
I'm
got it
just
right.
saying hi.
Just wanted to speak to you. And that whole side is,
Dude, you're going to have some bruising here for sure. Okay,
you
so
see that where people's left sides are worse than the right side?
I do see it. A lot of times it is usually worse on one side than the other. It's compensating. And surprisingly, a lot of times it's the opposite when they want their hand. So that's to the right hand, a lot of times it's opposite. All right, so I'm gonna have you get your shirt back on, and then we're gonna do some stretching here for you too. So, okay, let's bring this leg up. Let's do that P&F stretching here. Tell me when.
There.
Okay, push towards me. There we go. Is this causing any discomfort for you? Good, good.
If you remember, I couldn't hardly do this 6 months ago.
Yeah, we were going about.
It was rough.
Yeah.
Oh, there. Oof.
Okay, push towards me. I mean, you're up to 90, which is pretty average.
Okay. Well, at least I'm average.
Yeah.
Very average individual.
Very
in
average.
every aspect of my life.
It's like that song. Not as good as it once was, but I'm as good as I'll ever be.
Okay.
And that's past 90. Push towards me.
Hey, that's above average. Right?
Yeah. Push towards me. See, don't cut yourself short.
I can lift my leg above average. Oof. Yeah.
All right, push up. Do you feel this in the hip?
Mhm.
Okay. Good. All right, let's check this left side.
There.
Push towards me. I mean, dude, that's pretty good.
Pretty good for a 40-year-old.
Yeah, I mean, when you started, yeah, you're probably about right here.
Yeah, it was really good, especially the left side. From what I remember. Oh, yep.
Push up. Good. And here. Push it down. What's on the docket for the rest of the day for you?
Oh, meeting up with the in-laws.
All right.
Get my daughter. She's been over there. And I would like to go to Epcot today, believe it or not.
Push up. Yeah, do around the world.
Yeah, well, they're doing the food and wine thing.
It started now?
Yeah.
Gosh, they started that
July. Isn't that
year, because didn't it used to start after Labor Day?
crazy? Yeah. So,
All right.
get some beers, get some food. I'm all about that.
That sounds like a great afternoon.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let's get you adjusted. Scoot up a little bit towards me. All right. Nice stretch on that one. Okay, can I have you lay on your side and face me this way? All right, rotate your hips slightly this way. Let that shoulder relax there. Breathe in, and all the way out. That one moved just in setup.
Mm-hmm.
All right, switch sides for me, please. Okay. Breathe in, and all the way, nice stretch. There it goes. Lay on your back. Nice and loose here. Awesome. Same thing this side. Try to relax that foot. There we go. Nice stretch. There it goes. All right. Under your stomach, please. All right. Relax. I need to go lower this thing. There we go. Cross your right leg over your left. There we go. Relax that down. Okay. Breathe in. Hold on. Do that again. Breathe in. And all the way out. There we go. Breathe in and out. There we go. That was the movement I was looking for. Okay, can I have you sitting up and face the front? All right, let's have your hands behind your head. Interlock your fingers. Scoot back a little bit towards me, please, Chad. All right, there we go. Lean back on me. Breathe in and all the way out. Whew!
Oh, man. That's the one.
Just when we stretch it, that one.
Ooh.
All right. Well, Chad, I appreciate you joining us today.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
sir.
Standing up.
Thanks for beating me up.
Oh, my pleasure. Always a joy. All right, guys. I appreciate you guys checking us out. Hit that subscribe button below, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks.